We have a big meeting coming up where we're going to be discussing language instruction in relation to psychology. As an aspiring psychiatrist, you can imagine I'm very excited about this. After discussing the topic with Diana, I was tasked with doing a little bit of my own research. I've been scouring the internet for information about how to alleviate anxiety when learning a foreign language. I found a handful of studies demonstrating that self-assessment exercises can enhance self-efficacy, or the belief in one's capabilities. This leads to better, happier learning. Speaking of psychology, I had the pleasure of visiting Ljubljana University Psychiatric Clinic and meeting with its CEO, Bojan Zalar. I received valuable advice about becoming a mental health professional and toured part of their extensive facilities. As you can see, it looks very different from the psychiatric clinics in movies. Things just keep getting more exciting here at LanguageSitter, so stay tuned for my next video. Do widzenia!